How to create a vision board wallpaper. This is a most commonly searched question that you can find on the internet, and thousands of people are asking the same question. So let me help you create a vision board wallpaper. A wallpaper that you can that shows the things that you want, the dreams, goals, desires, and ambitions, and other things that like travel, experiences, relationships, fitness, income, lifestyle, everything that you want. You can add them to your vision board wallpaper. So let's get straight into it. And I have written down 3 different steps that you need to take to create a vision board wallpaper. Step 1 is create a vision board layout. What do I mean by creating a vision board layout? A vision board layout is something like this. Take a look at the screen here. You will be able to see a lot of templates. This is inside canva.com. Canva.com is a free graphic design platform that's found available online. You can sign up for free using a Google account or Gmail account or any email ID that you have and create a free account. Once you go to canva.com, you will find the search bar on the top. You can search for desktop wallpapers. Once you type desktop wallpapers and hit enter, you will be able to see a lot of different desktop wallpaper templates on the screen. So in case I've seen that as a wallpaper template that is close enough to a vision board template, you can click on it and it will open up in a new tab. And once you click on desktop wallpaper, basically you need a desktop wallpaper template. The desktop wallpaper template comes in the size of a desktop. It is pre-made and pre-built inside Canva. There are over 3262 templates here. So let's go into the template. Board template. I want you to go and find pictures, find images, and even find quotes or sayings or moments or goals that you have, and start to add them to it. So while this loads, I'll show you there are free websites like Unsplash, where you can there are thousands of images on this platform and you can search for it. It's a free website where you can download stock photography, and you can also download videos as well. So whatever you want, if you want to look for a car specifically, search that and you will be able to find pictures relevant to it. You can vary your search phrases and you will be able to find car exactly, your Lambo. This is exactly what you want to find and add to your vision board. There's another website called Pixels. It's a free website where you can find free pictures for your default. These are the pictures that are trending. You click on discover, you can click on videos, you can click on leaderboards, you can click on channels, and you can use the search bar and search for the things that search for it and add them to your you can save them to your computer or a laptop. There's another website called Pixabay. If you go to it, you have over 2.5 million high quality stock photos, images, videos, and music. So you can filter by the category that you want, and you can also search for a lot of pictures, thousands of pictures. There are about 2.5 million free stuff here. All of them are free, royalty free, so you do not have to worry about that. So once you find pictures from these free websites, you can use even Google search images. Google search for go to Google search and click on the images tab and type the phrase that you want. So this way you will be able to pick out a template, find the images, and add them to your vision board. So here's a feature where you can upload your stuff. You click on upload button and upload them here. I'm not going to do that for you because it's pretty easy. So if you are creating one from scratch, click on it, click on add page, or choose a desktop wallpaper, like create a blank wallpaper, desktop wallpaper. Click on it and search for grids or something like that. See, you will be able to find out grids and templates. So find the one that is relevant to you, or the one that you think you can with. There are a lot of grids here. So yeah, pick the one that you like, click on it, and your wallpaper. Maybe you are looking for something of this grid size. Click on it, it will get added to this wallpaper, and now you click on upload. You can upload your pictures here, and gets uploaded here. You can add them to your desktop template here, and after you've added them, you will be able to get a feel for are they the right pictures for you or are they not the right pictures. You can keep removing them as you wish and like. So after you've done that, you can go ahead and you can click on download, and you can download them as PNG image. You can choose which file you want to download. If the first one is your template, you can add them. See, take a look at the vision board template that these guys have created by default. The things that they want to experience. So things, codes and saying. So this is how you create a vision board wallpaper using the desktop template that is found for inside canva.com. Go ahead and try it out. And if you're really struggling, let me know in the comments below. By the way, I have a free course, not free course, it's a really affordable course that you can find in the links in the description. It's the vision board mini course that I've created for you, because most people, they talk about vision board, but almost 98% of the people don't complete or create a vision board for themselves, and that's why they don't achieve anything in their life. So if you go ahead and take a look at the vision board templates on inside canva.com, you can go ahead and collect the pictures and add them. Try it out for yourself. If you're still struggling, go ahead and check out my free my really affordable course that's found in the link in the description. It's going to cover 5 different areas that you need to focus on, that you must have in your vision board, and it will help you create a much fulfilling and richer life. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe to this video YouTube channel, and also comment below what is your main struggle that you have right now. If you think someone should watch this video, share it with them, and let's help grow this channel. Thank you for watching.